the worst bar in fitness.
Roxy, stand next to brother so we can take a Halloween picture.
Roxy, over here. Roxy, come over here.
Stand next to
brother. Be quiet. There you go.
Now say cheese.
Brother, Roscoe. Roscoe.
Roscoe. Yeah, he's got a tail. Brother. Is he eating you? What's brother dressed as?
Dora.
He's not Dora.
He's a monkey.
He's Monkey. Who else is a monkey? What does the kitty say?
Meow.
Meow. What does the monkey say?
Cat.
A cat.
Cat.
You are a cat. You gotta say meow.
Come here so I can see your ears. Show me, Mommy, where your ears are. Your kitty ears are up here. These are your kitty ears. Kitty ears. Do you look cute or ugly? You don't look ugly. Say, I'm pretty.
No.
Well, what are you?
A cat.
A cat? Oh, are you showing me your tummy? What's brother? Oh, brother fell down. Daddy! Oh, brother.
Video turned off?
No?
I can't get him.
Brother! Brother. Oh, he found something to eat.
What was it?
A piece of paper. He's alright. Say hi!
You probably need